In this video we will understand what are branches and why they are required. So I am in Azure AD and in this org I'll be going to Agile project, and in my Agile project I have only one Git repository, and when it comes to branches I have only one branch, that is main. So in general, like these main or master branches are considered as source of truth for their dependent environments, for example production. So for the production, this main branches acts like a source of truth, like their code is, the environment code is mainly dependent on the code which is present in this branch. So because of that, it's not always like recommended or allowed allowed for the developers to directly change in this branch, because if something goes wrong then it's going to impact its dependent environments. So because of that, we always create new branches for each and every work we do. For example, in our last videos we created these set of work items, right? Let's say if we create bug also, so if we create even bug, for each and every bug or task or hot fixes, it's recommended to create a branch. So for example, if I'm working on one of the feature, then I'll be like creating a branch called feature, and its feature number is 3, and we can give a brief description on what this feature is about, like a chat box in WhatsApp, and it is created out of main branch, and here we can even link the feature, okay, or you can say user story. Was it a feature? A user story. So here we need to mention user story. Okay, so now for this branch, this user story is tagged. This way we can easily track like why this branch was created. Now this is how it looks like in user story. For user story number 3, this is the branch. So if we go to this branch here, now we have main branch and this user story related branch. Now what I do is, if I create a new file in this, let's say file1.txt, then sample text, I do commit to directly to this branch, and here also we can link like for which work item this commit is associated to. Okay, now we have our branch. Let's say if our work is done, then now we can create pull request. For example, it is showing up here, but let's say if it's not, then we can say pull request. Here we need to select our source branch and our target branch, right, and give the title, and its work item is already selected here, and you can add reviewers like any one of your team lead or peer review if you want to have. Then we create a pull request in this way. We'll like dig more into pull request in future, but yeah, this is how like one as a reviewer I'm like approving, and will complete this. Here we got the delete option also, but if you want, in generally it is recommended to delete feature or bug, the branches which we create for task and bug, because we don't want to keep a big chunk of code in each and every branch. So now if we delete this, select the delete option. Now it shows completed. Now if I go in the branches section, now I have only the main branch. My source branch was deleted, and here I have this text coming in, and this is the history of this text file. So if we see all the commits on the main branch, you see now this is this commit we did it in our uh, user story branch, and this is the commit we got it due to the merge. So I'll keep it up to here. We'll discuss more on the branches in coming videos. So thank you for your time. See you in next video.